highest paid professionals is
You're
the court
recording
reporter.
it?
In fact, no jury trial can start
Comfortable.
without one. So court reporters are constantly in high demand. Many also work independently, taking depositions and providing closed captioning services. Sierra Valley College has been a leader in court reporter training for over 30 years. Find out if this exciting career could be for you. Call Sierra Valley College of Court Reporting at 222-0947. That's 222-0947.
Where do you get your ring?
Oh, the kids got it for me when I lived in Cloverdale. It's a first stone ring. But
Courting is a fight you can't let yourself lose.
I took it back to Walmart.
It can take many
it's
trials,
soft gold.
but keep trying. You will beat smoking.
Honey, you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Next Extra, Bobby
Michael,
Christina's TV show debut. Tyler
Joyce,
Perry's sneak peek at Whitney's daughter,
Thomas's
Fed,
first
Extra in
film,
Chicago
same
with Reese
thing.
Witherspoon. Her first interview about baby number
Sandy's
3.
mine. A little bit different.
Next Extra.
Undecided 5:30 CBS 47.
25th. No, hers and I are the same.
Where it's
So I got two stones the same and then two more stones
And the
that
Emmy
the same.
Award for Outstanding Lead Actress in a Drama Series goes to Heather Tom. Thank you so much.
Wives of Gold and the Beautiful Heather Tom winning this year's Daytime Emmy Award for Outstanding Lead Actress and making TV history. She became the first performer to win in 3 different acting categories: Younger Actress, Supporting Actress, and now Lead Actress.
Looking like it's good. You think you want some peanut butter?
Remember when she used to play Victoria?
Yeah.
That's when she got Academy for the young ones.
Right. She plays on Bold and Beautiful.
I know, she used to be
Oh,
the
used to
original
be.
Victoria.
That's right. She did. And I've heard, I don't know how true it is, that she is Vicky's real daughter. I don't know.
Victor's real daughter.
No, Vicky.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
No, Vicky.
Firstly, you look quite
One-
fabulous on Saturday night. And tell me, what was
Always
the
hung up
reason
on,
behind your name?
Oh gosh. It's all very
Victor.
basic because it's
Nick-
like an out-of-body
Nikki,
experience. And
What is
pretty
her
much I was
name?
just thinking,
Nikki
don't
Hitter
trip,
Thomas.
Oh God, there's stairs.
her
No,
name.
it's,
Make sure to thank Brad Bell. Make sure to thank
Scott,
your
ain't
husband. And that's
I know
pretty much it. Like,
their
don't
last names
swear.
are different, but I don't know. I read it in one of
You
those
look unbelievable on Saturday.
soap opera digest things that her and Nikki were real mother and daughter.
The
But
cutest
I
dress,
don't
the
know.
cutest little tummy. What was it? And I remember you saying, "Oh my God, my baby's going nuts."
He
So-
was going crazy.
Oh, she really is
He was
pregnant.
like running a marathon in my belly. It was like
It really
it was
is.
so
Well,